Hey guys, it's Ariana here from Earth's Edge, and today I'll be answering one of the most commonly asked questions. When is the best time to hike Kilimanjaro? The best time to hike Kilimanjaro is during the dry season. The weather on Kilimanjaro is not unlike our weather here in Ireland. Very erratic and very unpredictable. Statistically, the wettest months on Kilimanjaro are March, April and May, the long rain seasons, and November and December, the short rain seasons. We don't offer any treks to Kilimanjaro during these months to give our clients a better chance of drier trekking conditions. If you're completely undecided as to when to go, we recommend January or February, as that's when the weather is worst here in Ireland. Like I said, the weather is super unpredictable, so it's really important to be prepared, which we put a very strong emphasis on. We hold training weekends for all of our Kilimanjaro expeditions, so you can meet like-minded trekkers. You'll also meet your expedition leader and your doctor, who will be with you every single step of the way. They will talk you through all the elements of the challenge ahead in great detail, answering any questions that you might have. And most of all, prepare you for this experience of a lifetime. The most important thing for whenever you go is pack everything that's on the advised gear list. That way, you'll be prepared for all different types of conditions on the mountain. Click the link above to check out our Kilimanjaro packing list video, which includes everything that you're going to need to bring with you on your trip. I would also recommend checking out our Kilimanjaro playlist, which includes videos like the best hiking boots for Kilimanjaro and the best sleeping bag, and many other useful videos to help you prepare for your upcoming expedition. So we only run expeditions to Kilimanjaro during the dry seasons, with departures in January, February, June, July, August, September and October. So you can see all of our available dates for our Kilimanjaro expeditions over on our website, which will be linked down below. Or if you have any questions at all, you can email us on info@earths-edge.com for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment down below and we'll get right back to you.
As an expedition company, we focus on having a positive impact on both the environment and the communities we visit. We also set the highest safety standard of any company in the world, sending an international guide and doctor on each and every one of our trips. For more info on our sustainability policies, safety standards, and to see our range of expeditions, visit our website, earthsedge.com.